is one of my Zippo lighters. As you can see, needs gas. Hasn't been lit. So first, what you want to do, you want to make sure this is cool. You want to grab that and just pull it out like that. This is what you have. And this little felt pad right here, you want to, I'm going to do it off camera. You just want to lift that up. So this is what you have right there. And now you want to take your lighter fluid, which is this right here. It's Ronsonol lighter fluid. It's pretty cheap. This whole thing was about $1. Alright, so once you got your lighter fluid ready, you just pour a little bit in, and then give it a second to soak in. Then pour some more in. Alright, should be good once that cotton thing gets wet. Now, take this end right here goes towards this. This has to be towards that. And then you just push it in like that. Make sure it closes okay. And then, see? Just like that.